Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to use the Violin plot tool in Alteryx. So here if you go on the data investigation, here you can see the Violin plot. So if I click on this, here you can get this all definition. So about the Violin plot, so it's so or distributed form of a single numeric variable, and you can read this all those things. So let's understand by example. So here I click on in and out tab, and here I'm going to drag this of input data so you can connect with file or database. So let's click on this drop down. Now you can connect with data source. So click on. Now you can give data source like Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, and many more. And for files, click on this. Here click on the files. Here I'm going to use file 1. Now this is the record inside the file 1, and here after let's go Violin. So drag the link, and here you can see I'm getting no valid field were selected. It means here this all part of this columns, DPT number, DPT name, here you can see it's all a string, but Violin that accept this places numeric. So I'm going to do the typecastings, delete the connection. Now represent, here select. So select, and here you need to change integer or double you can use. Let's use int 64. Now this time there is no any problem with this mapping. Click on this, I automatically DPT number come there. Now if I go on the graphics, here it's selected 3, so I'm going to make that 1x. If you want, then you can increase or decrease. Now the next is let's drag one more browse, and the workflow part that has completed. Now run this workflow, and here you can see incoming record 10, the size 299 byte. It's completed on the select, processing on Violin plot, and when they're done, all those things that go to browse. So here you can see this is the input if you want to see data, and here this is metadata. Now click on this browse. Here you can see Violin that created on the DPT number, and 1, and here 20, 40, 60, and 80. Now here after let's click here, you can make that this on the group by. So you can use lock, so you can see the data is very lock doubles. So UK trash stamps, then you can easily, you should make that Violin or lock in the group by. So here you can see the Violin of DPT number and lock. So it's 50% done. Now 100% it's completed. Click on this on the browse. Here you can see Violin of DPT number and lock, but no any graphical format it's displaying. So what we need to do, let's change lock to dname and run. Now you can see the Violin of dname and lock. So here it's completed almost. Now click on OK. 13-second time it's taken, and here you can see the Violin of DPT number and dname. So here this is the Violin of DPT number and dname. So now you can see this is accounting HR, it's all come there, 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, it's come there. So this is the way we can use Violin in Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.